wenza amaphutha lapha phezulu ngoba iphutha lingana nezinto nomuntu. Sometimes it's not the mistake that you have made, it's who you are. Kona into engenziwa umuntu nje abantu bangamnandaba kodwa mayenziwa uwe isisindo sento iyona that's a problem. So we can't limit God as far as age is concerned. All right.
Do God also calls women?
Siba. I will be very honest with you. It's a Siba. It's a more cultural issue than it is a scriptural issue. Remember, let me explain what I'm saying. Okay. Understand. Anyone who receives the gospel within a cultural context. Agekho umuntu othi mayamukela ivangeli alamukele outside of culture. When you look at the cultural nuances zala, kukhona into ongayenza eKZN, a cultural, but he offended someone spiritually. I'll make a simple example. Ungathi mawuzobikela lo muntu omdala. Let's say you have Western influence, and ukufaka isandla ekhukhweni is a sign of power and confidence. We KZN last bingelela kanje.
Yes.
Uzoshumayela.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You come into preaching.
Yes.
So umuntu bayabingelela uhambisa isandla kanje.
Yes.
And then you come from a different cultural nuance. Ubingelela umuntu omdala, ufaka isandla ekhukhweni, umbingelela kanje. Right? From your cultural context, there's nothing wrong with that. It's a sign of confidence.
Do you have any regret in ministry?
Yeah, I do.